Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook name. So guys, let's get into it. First of all, open your Facebook application on your phone, and after you have your Facebook application opened, you can tap on this three lines button to open your profile, and you can tap on this setting button to open the Facebook setting, and you can click on account center, this one, and hold on guys. Okay, and after the account center has been opened, you can tap on your profile. Then you can tap on your profile again. And right here, you can change your name. You just need to click on name. And for example, I'm going to change my last name. Wait, guys. Okay, like this. Okay, and after that, we can click on review change. Alright, and you can choose how your name will appear on your profiles right here, and after that you can click on save changes and your name will be changed on your Facebook. Alright guys, and that's how we can change Facebook name. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.